Hey, I'm going to go through a demo of the Minno app, and this is everything we've built so far. So when I first open the app, I can see how the markets are doing by selecting any of the top tiles, and I can see what the most active stocks in the market are by seeing the trending, gaining, and losing companies for the current trading day. I can then go to my watch lists. Here I've made a couple. Let's select hospitality. If I want to update my friend on what I've been looking at, I can press the share icon and put his email address in. I'm going to make him be able to edit this watch list, so I'll select that and press share. Then I can search any company I would like by typing in a ticker here. Let's go to Marriott. I can select this. I can see their price chart. Select any date period I would like. Use 2 fingers if I want to get really specific. And I can click any of these tiles below to see why the price has changed. We're connecting the data to this really soon, but this is a really cool feature that our users love. Then I can see how analysts think the company is doing, some trading metrics, earnings and dividends metrics, an income statement that shows last year, this year, next year. We think trends are really important, and this makes it really easy to absorb this information. A balance sheet that compares this time this year to this time last year, along with the previous fiscal year. And same with a cash flow statement. I can then go to our performance card. Here you can see what the projections for EPS for this year, next year, and for revenue the same way in a single table. I can then see the price estimates for the next 12 months, and I can also see which banks have been issuing upgrades and downgrades, and from where they've been doing it. Here it looks like the most recent analyst reports have been maintaining current price targets. And finally, I can go and see how the company is doing relative to its peers. So if I can see capital information, operating statistics across multiple time periods, multiples, growth and margins, and some market information. Here we visualized how the company is doing compared to its peers. So in revenue, Marriott is doing really well. On EBITDA, the same. On PE ratio, it seems like they might be a little undervalued. And free cash flow, they're blowing it out of the water. And I can see how this looks across many years. So for 2023, 2024, 2025, or all together. Then I can also go to my calendar and see what events are happening when. So here on, what is this? Thursday, May 2nd, Apple had a dividend announcement. If I go to June, I can see that on the 20th, General Motors has a dividend payment. And I can filter all this by which watch lists I have and which event type I would like to see.